We subconsciously make decisions in everything we do. For instance, should I eat? If yes, what should I eat? Pizza? Yes. Not hungry, sleep. Can you count how many decisions you just made there? Just like we make decisions in our daily life, our program also needs to make decisions. To make decisions in Python, we have decision-making statements. The decision-making statements provided by Python are if else, if elif. Let's see how we can use those to help our programs take some decisions. An if statement can be used to check if a condition is true or false. If the condition evaluates to true, the code block following the if statement is evaluated. In Python, to indicate the block of code, indentation is used. Each line must be indented by the same amount in a block of code. A typical if statement looks like a colon is used in Python to make the code more readable and separate the different parts of expressions. Let's understand if statement using an example. In the above if statement, the condition 5 equals 5 will evaluate to true. And thus the following statement, which tells the program to output "you successfully learned" if statement, will be printed on the screen. Equal to operator is used to compare two entities. In the above if statement, condition evaluates to be false. Thus the statements following it will never be computed. An else statement is often used with this statement. In the case when the condition inside if evaluates to false, the statements under the else statement are evaluated. An if else statement looks like else is always written after if statement. Let's understand it using an example. Consider the below snippet. In the above if statement, the condition 5 equals 3 will evaluate to false. And thus the statement following it will not be evaluated, but the statement following else will. So the output will be if we want to check multiple conditions, we can use elif statements. Elif will always come after its statement. It cannot exist individually. Elif statements will be checked in the order in which they appear. Let's understand elif using an example. We can check as many conditions as we want to. In case of if elif blocks, the conditions will be tested until a condition is found to be true. In above snippet, the second condition will evaluate to true. Thus, the output will be if all the conditions evaluate to false, then the else block will be executed. Like humans, computers also have to make several decisions. Python provides if else, and if elif else decision-making statements. If can be used to test a single condition. Else is used to tell the computer what to do in case if statement evaluates to true. In a situation where we need to check multiple values, if elif statement can be used.